action.
We're gonna convert this bitch right quick from Chinese to American.
From Ling Ling to America.
From Ringling to fucking kicking ass, taking names, fucked up day. How you doing?
Okay, pilot tube. Take that off. Remove that.
You could really just pull the fucker out like that. You don't really have to do it the right way. You can do it my way. Okay. See you fucking pull that motherfucker out there. Just like so. You fucking throw it. Grab the right one.
And you install it in so. Like so.
Stick her back in there. In the bent ass fucking piece of shit you just fucked up.
Dude, it's alright, bro.
You fucking.
Dude, just to give them perspective of where it's going, let's show you where we're at. This is going in a beautiful
1960 nothing fucking Winnebago. Fuck.
Yeah. It's going in the trenches, y'all. Don't.
Don't be tripping on us.
Yeah. This is in the hood.
We don't give a fuck either.
Dude, this is like the American Sunnyvale right
Hey,
now.
can you hand me my beer?
Yeah.
Thanks. Alright, now I can finish this LP conversion. Okay? So you're just gonna fucking run this up like so.
While we wait, we hydrate.
Okay. Then you grab this fucking thing. You fucking run it up like your bag. You know what I mean? Chase a bag or fucking die. I don't know. One of the two. Stucker than fucking truck. Right? Stick her up in there. Make sure you spit on it. She don't like it dry.
Key step.
It's not much, but it's an honest day's work.
Oh, that movement, that motion.
Sometimes you just give her a little extra just to make sure it's not leaking. You grab this fucking electronic fucking bullshit, fucking Chinese goddamn. Hatiki wa like your water hida. Fucking
Relieve the inside gases. You need a little lube.
Well, you don't want to stick it in dry. That's when they don't like it. They tend to frown upon that. Or at least nowadays. Back in the day, you could get away with it. Anyway, I'd like to thank my sponsors, Southwest Feed. You can get the best three-way at Southwest Feed. Tell them JR Finn sent you. And Monster Energy and Coors Light, the always delicious Coors Light. Thank you so much.